Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to SSS Educational Channel. Today we are going to discuss the words which are commonly mispronounced, and we are going to discuss the sounds which they have in them. So the commonly mispronounced consonants are Wednesday. Now some people pronounce it as Wednesday, which is wrong. The D sound is silent here and it's Wednesday. Similarly, it is Saturday, it's not Saturday, which is an incorrect pronunciation. Saturday. Healthy, increase, bathe, breath. I want to make a clarification here. अगर bathe के आखिर में e ना हो तो then it is a noun, B-A-T-H, और फिर इसको हम bath pronounce करते हैं. But if we have an E at the end, then it is a verb and then it is pronounced as bathe. Breath, suggestion, appreciation, assume, adjective. Adjective, the D sound is silent, it is not pronounced. Similarly, in appreciation, it is sh is not pronounced. This C is not pronounced as C, it is pronounced as sh. So appreciation, adjective. Sandwich, pizza, pizza. T sound is pronounced here before Z sound. This is pizza. This is a vowel sound, and this is the vowel which is present in the word cat. If you look in the dictionaries, this is the symbol which is used for this sound. It is cat, balcony, absolutely, than, fabulous. A sound, balcony, absolutely, than, fabulous. The next sound is a many. This is a short vowel, many. It is not many. No, we will not stretch it so much. We will pronounce it quickly. Many. Breakfast, any, said, then. The next sound is a sound, subtle. This sound is represented by an inverted V symbol in the dictionaries. Dictionaries में ये inverted V symbol से represent होता है. A sound, the sound it is there in but. But में जो sound है, mud में, but में वो sound है. Subtle, B is not pronounced here. B is silent. Subtle, other. Pronunciation. It is not pronunciation, no. When we use it in the verb which is pronounced, वहाँ पर हम pronounce ही कहते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर it is pronunciation. Supper, subject. The next sound is shaw, the smallest vowel sound. ये सबसे छोटा vowel sound है और बहुत तेजी से पढ़ी जाती है. Woman, करेक्ट. सी और आर के दरमियान जो बिल्कुल हल्की सी वॉवल साउंड है, बहुत शॉर्ट लेंथ की, उसको शॉ कहते हैं. करेक्ट. पुलिस, ओपन, अस्लीप. सेंटेंस, कंसेंट, कन्फेस, कंडक्ट. आयरन, कॉशियस, डिलिशियस, precious. Cautious, delicious, precious. इन सब में आखिर में जो साउंड आ रही है ओ और यू से जो मिलके बन रही है, that is shaw sound. This is the shortest vowel sound. The next sound is a long vowel sound. The two dots at the end of the symbol, they show us that this is a long vowel sound which is found in heart. It is not hurt. Hurt is a separate word, H-U-R-T. This is heart, car, cart, par, almond. It's not almond, it is almond, large, march, jar, laugh, aunt. It is not ant. Ant is A-N-T, ant. चूंटी को ant कहते हैं. aunt, जो हम रिश्ता है आंटी का, उसको aunt कहा जाता है. dance, ask, glance, class, cart, tomato, nasty, nasty, castle, branch, army, star, argue, mark, hierarchy, hierarchy. So all these words have this long ah sound. Now this is another long vowel sound. It is E, police, reject, deviate. It is not deviate, it is deviate. Pizza, gasoline, expertise, creature, creature, receipt, niece, dream, evening, extemporary, debris, epitome, epitome. The next sound is a sound which is shown by this symbol with two dots at the end. It is also a long vowel sound, and it is found in the words such as world, learn. The important thing about this sound is that generally it has got a ra sound, an r in the spelling, but the ra sound is not pronounced as such. Learn, इसको हम learn नहीं पढ़ेंगे. Learn, search, dirty, advert, murder, germ, and verb. The next sound is a short vowel sound, which is found at the end of begin, minute, timid, syrup, guitar, women. When it is used in the plural form, it is women. In the singular form, it is woman. But here the O sound is pronounced as women. Event, lattice, prefer, refer. The next sound is aw sound. Photographer, colleague, wash, want, wasp, wasn't, watch, what, got, cough, yacht, donkey, font, salt, restaurant, conversation. Now this is another long vowel sound, and you will see that this is different from the previous sound. ये पिछली sound से थोड़ी सी फर्क है, ये उससे ज़्यादा लंबी है. Law, order, all, hall, call, tall, saw. इस sound में और इससे पिछली sound में, जिसमें इससे पिछली sound है, इन दोनों में सिर्फ लेंथ का फर्क है. जो अभी हम साउंड डिस्कस करें, दिस वन विच हैज गॉट टू डॉट्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट, दे आर इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग वॉवल साउंड. इसमें सिर्फ लेंथ का फर्क है और ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. लॉन, डॉन, फॉर, हॉर्स, वॉक, टॉक, poultry, walnut, dwarf, short, sword, morning, court, ought, taught, daughter, bought, sought, brought, thought, war, water, fall, pause, cause, awful, award, quarter, audience, launch, dwarf. The next sound is represented by this shoe horse type symbol, and this is the sound which is pronounced in could, would. This is different from but. The sound which is pronounced in put. ठीक है. It is different from the sound which is used in but. So it is not wool, rather we would pronounce it as wool, wool, brook, sugar, crooked, suit, hood, soot, hood. The next sound is a diphthong. ये जब दो सिंबल्स हों तो ये डिफ्थोंग होते हैं और ये दो वॉवल साउंड से मिलके बनते हैं. इनमें डिफ्थोंग में और वॉवल साउंड में क्या फ़र्क है? वॉवल साउंड एक ही लेवल पर प्रोनाउंस होती है, जबकि डिफ्थोंग में थोड़ी सी ग्लाइड है, थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट है. हमें थोड़ा सा ज़बान को हिलाना पड़ता है, मुंह जॉज की पोजीशन भी चेंज करते हैं, तब ये साउंड प्रोनाउंस होती है. आई शुरू में आप देखें तो हमें पूरा मुंह खोलना पड़ता है और फिर उसके बाद वी हैव टू शिफ्ट आवर लोअर जॉ अ लिटिल इन द अपवर्ड पोजीशन एंड ओनली देन वी कैन प्रोनाउंस इट. आई, आई, साई, डाई, हाई, ट्रायल. A sound, this is also a diphthong, and we need to understand it. It is different from cat, bat, mat. It is plate. A थोड़ा सा साउंड में ग्लाइड है. A, plate, day, age, great, play, grey, aim, name, eight, wait, came. The next sound, which is a long vowel sound, group, wound, screw, grew, crew, truth, tooth, tomb, cruel. This is a long vowel sound which is found in pool, fool, stool. So in tooth, tomb and cruel. The next sound is again a diphthong. ये ओ साउंड के साथ थोड़ा सा इसमें शिफ्ट आता है, थोड़ी सी ग्लाइड है. We need to learn this sound and practice it ताकि हम इसको दूसरी वॉवल साउंड्स के साथ मिक्स ना करें. आमतौर पर लोग इसके साथ इस साउंड की जगह वॉवल साउंड प्रोनाउंस कर देते हैं, जो कि गलत है. boat, it is not boat or bought, it is boat. No, bowl, it is not bowl, जिसको हम उर्दू में डोंगा कहते हैं, वो bowl. bow, low, coast, show, load, mode, hoe and home. So this was all about different mispronounced words, commonly mispronounced words. Please practice them and keep on practicing them so that whenever the need arises you pronounce these words correctly. In the next video we plan to start a new series of videos in which we will be giving one word every day. If you want to improve your vocabulary and eventually if you want to improve your English language, you should subscribe to our channel and we will be giving one word every day.